Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? This is Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another classic today. Today, I'm gonna be doing a video. I had somebody send me a message yesterday saying, I'm doing a lot of video for people that got okay credit, they have good credit, got excellent credit, but I'm not doing video for people that might have horrible credit, bad credit, might have a collection or two, and might even have a late payment. And they want to know what credit cards should they go after if they have bad credit, right? So we're going to start off with the first credit card. The first credit card is Aspire credit card, and just to let you know, they will be doing a pre-qualification. So yes, initially it will be a soft pull through Experian. Now, I have seen personally, I've helped people with little as a $575 get approved for this credit card. Annual fee usually start between $49 to $175 for the first year, and then $0 to $49 every year after. Now you could get 3% back on gas and grocery, and then 1% back for everything else. Now this card overall, obviously it's gonna be for somebody with bad credit. They don't have a lot of great benefits, but you could get in the door with a low credit score. So let's go on to number two. Number two, I would have to say, is the Credit One credit card. Now I personally, this is number two credit card on the personal side I ever had, a little over 7.5, close to 8 years. I never closed it only because of the history, but I will have to say this card annually, every year, is about $95 a year. You get cash back, but nothing much. They get you in the door with a little as a $550. Yes, you could get approved with a little as a $550. They will be doing that soft pull through Experian. So both these credit cards, you'll be able to get in the door with Experian pre-qualification without initially getting that hard pull. But once you accept that offer, you will get that hard pull. I don't have too much to say about Credit One. I think everybody in the world should know Credit One is not a good company when it comes to getting any great benefits by using it. I have to say that it can get you in the door, it can build your credit. They do report to all 3 credit bureaus, both of these cards. But again, it's gonna be your choice what you rather to go with. You know, I'm out here, I'm doing my walk, and after I finish this video, I'm about to get my 2-mile run. But I just wanted to drop this video because I had a person said I'm doing videos for people with okay, good and excellent credit, but I'm not doing videos for people that have bad and horrible credit. So these are 2 credit cards that you could go get pre-qualified today. Get in the comments if you know about these cards. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace. It is one thing I can say positive about Credit One overall as a company, is that if you had a bankruptcy in the past, they will accept you. And 9 out of 10 credit cards companies will not do that. So on that note, y'all make your choice what y'all want to do. Aspire credit card or Credit One. Let me know in the comment.